Friday and we are live. Oh yes we are. Let's get on to it. I don't know any of these words. It's one of those things. We are quite live. Hello and welcome to another episode of GameHammer Live. What was that about? I don't know. But we have a thing that we're doing, don't we? We have a live game coding session because we are currently making a game and I've got my feet caught up in the wires for the power supply and the Spectrum. That's never a good sign. We are currently making a game called, oh my goodness, what is it called? Oh my goodness, I've forgotten. I haven't really. Nova Bug in Spectrum World. Here we go. Hello to Anthony Dickinson. How are you doing? Hope things are going good for you. So let's bring up the Spectrum. And I still have a weird experience. Every time I see on that screen, copyright 1982, Amstrad. It's like, but we were the third tier system. The CPC came third. And yet, we won. Amstrad took over Spectrum. It's still strange to me, but I do like it. So let's bring up Platform Game Designer on the DivMMC, because here we go. Load up. Here we are. We are currently making this game. So I'm going to have a run through it. I believe last thing we did yesterday was an attempt to beat this game and find that I couldn't because I'm not that good at my own games, guys. Oh my goodness. So we've got Nova Bug here, and he animates as he walks. He can jump quite high. And I'm not very good at it, but we do have a pretty substantial map layout now, where we've got a load of screens. We have the big dome at the top of the screen. We have this weird one below it. Then the step ladder that goes up. ZX Forever. That's where we start, of course, just there. And then over here there is no escape. And then we have this tower, which goes down and down. And underneath that is going to be a cellar. So, I think we need to get into the cellar because, well, we need to have access to the rest of the game. Like I said yesterday, these three pieces here, they're not going to have anything in them. Because if we did that, we'd have to redo the map for all of these three. Because if there's anything underneath it, then it would drop in. Then you would drop through the floor into the second one. And I don't want that. So this is going to be our access down into the next section of the game, which will go over here and possibly go up here as well. But that there is a special one. Because this game involves Nova Bug being pulled into this horrible world by his evil nemesis, Bovanog. There's Bovanog. And it's just daftness like that. So, we're going to faff about, and Anthony Dickinson says, I'm getting some tips off you for this. My cassettes are on the way. Well, that's the idea. If I make a game and you get some ideas from it, that's great. It means that the retro community keeps going. That's what I'm all about. Giving back to the community and helping everyone to enjoy stuff, and also giving them ideas and showing them that with the new software that's about these days, making new stuff isn't actually that hard. So, shall we move on? Because we need to go back to building. Where's my buttons gone? Oh, come on. Here we are. Building the cellar, that is underneath this. The tower, of course, will keep going all the way up. That's what I keep wanting to do. Have that tower go right to the top, and then the top one will be there. Actually, let's do that first. I kind of like the idea of going up and up and up. So let's go to screen layouts. Excellent, we're still on the Blackpool Tower of Terror. So that is where that is going to be. We now need to go across to another place. Create that. Create screen, yes. 1, 2, and change the... There it is, that's the... Go across, and that is where the tower ends. So we're going to have a balcony on this one. Did I look at the space design game yet? To be honest with you, Anthony, I haven't yet. I will, but I haven't yet because, to be honest with you, I've been preparing for this show. So I haven't yet, but I will. Let's have a balcony over there as well. We'll call this the... Oh, for goodness sake, where's all the buttons, Bal? I hate the fact that the Spectrum's keyboard is over to one side compared to the Amstrad, so I keep pressing the key that's one letter to the left of where it needs to be. The balcony of Bovanogue. So we can now start getting back to building this. So the balcony will of course go up and up and up, and it has lots of horrible things in it. And it just keeps going. And I'm keeping the colour scheme the same for it, because that way it looks nice. So I'm going to put down here some vicious stuff. 1, 2, 3. Right there. A horrible thing that's going to hurt people. I am being cruel, but I kind of don't care. Because that's part of these games is the cruelty factor. Andy says, when did you get this? About 3-4 months ago. It's been quite a while. So we need some collectibles. Why on earth would you go down here? Well, you need that for that collectible. And I'm going to put one there as well for another collectible. Otherwise, why would you come into this area at all? Collectible there. So how do you get down here without falling to your doom? Well, that is a good question. There we are. Blank that off. We don't want too many. Perhaps one there, though. Yeah. No, they're the wrong ones, aren't they? Of course they're the wrong ones. We want the ones that aren't solid so you can get through them. Otherwise, it'll cause problems. So there we are. We have transparent stuff now. Let's put in some platforms. And another one up there. Then we'll make some nice stairs between them. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hello to Mickey. How you doing? I think that works out. That looks all right. We have the balcony of Bovanogue. We need to put that into the map layout now. That would go right above the other one. Where is it? Yes! Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So let's go back into the screen layout though, because there is one issue we do have. When we looked at the map layout, the map actually has a platform there going upward to here, but we have a blank and no way to get across. So let's alter that a little bit by pressing the wrong buttons. Give me my buttons. There we are. I do dislike using the cursors on the Spectrum, I have to admit. So let's get rid of that for a start. And we'll have a weird looking other staircase going that way. That works. I'll just put an extra thing in there just to be annoying. And that should work. So we've got 3 collectibles in here, but we always want 6. Because it gives a bit of consistency. And it means that you've got to pick up more stuff. On that. On that. And I'm going to put one there. 4, 5, 6. There we go. So 6. Now we need some patrolling nasties. Where's our nasties for this area? So let's see what alien we've got. Let's create an alien. Yes. Well, we'll want one that patrols. This is one. I prefer to keep them on the ground, or at least on what appears to be ground. So let's move this over to here and start him there. Drop that patrol down. He goes to there. It starts there. Let's create another alien. Yes. But this one will be a nuglet. Where's the nuglet? There's a nuglet. And he can go up and down. Starting there. And one final nuglet, create an alien. Yes. And one that looks the other way. Because I like ones that look the other way. I should do a Dalek game, says Anthony. Yeah, why not? We could do a kind of Doctor Who fan game at some point. That would actually be quite fun. So there we are. We have 3 nuglets now. Let's test the game and see if we can get to this area to test the game, because we haven't properly tested that side of the map. So hopefully get over. I'm not really picking up all of these, but take a few with us. So we're into this area. See if we can get back up there. We actually need to get into the tower, don't we? Oh no! Ah! Oh my goodness, this is hard to get through. Can I time it right? Oh my goodness! Right, time and over. Ah, that is harsh. We're into the tower. Oh my goodness, this is so harsh. We're harsh in our buzzers, man. Oh my goodness, right, so we can't, right, okay, we need to change a few things on one of those screens. So, this inside bit here, we need to change these towers. We need to change what the ground is made of for these platforms, otherwise you can't jump. Hello to Zach, how are you doing? You're doing well, thank you. I really do hope so, because it's like, I want to make this as fun as possible. Mickey Smith says, look forward to playing this. Hopefully you'll be able to play it soon. I really do hope that we could, within like a week or two, we could actually have this out there for download. I think that'd be nice. Right, I'm changing these to something you can actually walk through and jump through, because otherwise you'll bang your head when you get to this bit where the cursor is here. You can't jump there unless that's passable, but we need it to be there so that you can land on it when you're jumping. So let's hope this works out. Just gonna make it a garish set of colours, but to be honest with you, it's not retro old school unless it's a garish set of colours. Okay, let's try this out now and see if that works. Yes, Anthony, Zach is my nephew. So it'd be nice. Oops. Still can't walk on that bit. Weird. Oh, of course we can't, yeah. Right. Oop. Jump. And down to that. Wait there. Oh, we've got a lot of trouble with this. It's difficult, isn't it? Oh, and jump. Yes. And jump across and across. Can we land? Yes, we can. So now we can get up to here. And we're safe. I don't know why that one up there is flashing green. Oh, we don't have something stupid like multiple aliens running or something like that. That'd be weird, wouldn't it? It wouldn't surprise me if I do, though. Grab that. Jump up. Jump. Ah! We just walked right into a guy, but we can do it. So let's try and get back up to there, and we don't have to try and collect all of the things. We're not going for a full run at this point. We are trying to get to the upstairs so we can see that it works. It's the Manic Miner tune, I know, but it'll work for the moment. Because I can't remember the entirety of the Novabug tune that we're planning to digitize for this on a beeper. Jump up and across, let him through, let him up, jump and jump and jump. So, oh my goodness, we're gonna have to, right, we have to change the patrolling nasties. I'm sorry guys, but we have to change the patrolling nasties. That one further up is, well, evil. This, which alien? I've got to bring the manual up so I can work out which alien we're working with. Where is my manual? Bring up Finder. Oh, where are we? Andy says I'm always nice. Well, that's good. I just like to make sure. There have been trolls in the past on other things that have taken a few pot shots at people who they shouldn't have. So I just like to make sure, you know. I know you guys never would, but there it is. Now, don't load up Dizzy. Load up ZX Spectrum Planet. There it is. Platform Game Developer Manual. Open with text edit. So, let's bring that in. While that's loading up, we just have to wait. There, actually, while that's loading up, there's a brief glimpse at some of the animation I'm working on for tomorrow night's cartoon on the question of Trek. So, where are we? Patrolling nasties. How do I select which nasty? Change type of it. Move to next patrolling alien is Q. Okay, so we need to. Which one is it? Alien 2. Fine, move. That's him. Right. So we need an alien. Basically, the alien can only go from there to there. That's all we can do. Otherwise, we'll constantly hit the other guy, and we don't want that. So he goes from there to there. Okay, that's done. That should make it acceptable. So let's save at the moment. We've got plenty of space on this. Error 18. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Bring the menu up. Save a snapshot. No. Oh no. Error 18 again. What is error 18? Div MMC future error 18. What is it? What is it, man? Come on. If you get error 18, it's because the file already exists. Try again. What? Oh! Oh, it can't work it out. Right. In that case, go to previous place and let's go down and we'll go into ZX where we haven't got any snapshots and press S. There we are. So we just saved our thing now. Excellent. We've just got to remember that now it's at the bottom of all this stuff. There it is. There's our snapshot. So, we're okay. Right. Let's have a look. Map layout. Do we have one more to go at the top? We do. Hello to Sir Patrick. How are you doing? Screen layouts. Right. We're going right to the top now. So I'm going to put my mouse here again as a marker for where the end of the tower is. Create screen. Sure. Yes. Let's move over to the correct thing. Yes. Move over to that. Where is it? Where am I in the right? Yes, I am. Right. 1, 2, 3. And the other side is also 3. Ah, Sir Patrick says, good news, your eyes are improved. That's excellent news. That is excellent, excellent, excellent news. So, we're going to have some interesting fun with the top of this tower. There we go. If we leave it like that, then it looks really weird. And that's kind of what I want. Now, you won't be able to get to it, but I want to put something outside just as a kind of flag. Which I think would be really funny. Let's have a flagpole made of what? Yeah, we'll go with that. And then the red flag of Bovenog. It's daft, but it kind of works. Because we all know what Nova Bug's feelings on certain coloured flags are, but I think that'll work out quite well. And we'll have a Z and an X on the flag. I'm having too much fun with this, guys. Okay, we need a big monster that's going to be in here. And a few disappearing platforms. Z and X and Z and X. It's going to be a tough one in here. Right. You know, you might be right there, Patrick. Too much fun. Oh no, we can't have that. That won't work. That won't work at all. Right, let's have our thingies that we need in here. Where is the collectible? Where is it? Where's it gone? I can't find it. There it is. Right, we got the collectible. There we are. Patrick Furling says, always assume that if something makes Zoe laugh as much as this, assume there's something wrong and possibly illegal. Patrick, that's cruel and hilarious at the same time. And there we go. So, I think we can leave that there like that. And put a big monster in the middle that just goes up and down really quickly. Because this is going to be the first time we've actually done that. Patrolling nasties. Let's add just the one patrolling nasty. Create an alien. Yes. And it's going to go from the top all the way down. So, how do we change the speed of that alien? Patrolling nasties. Change the speed with S. Oh, that seems simple enough. S for speed. There we go. An alien of speed 2. It's going to be faster now. And map layout. Put it there. There we go. Test the game. Let's go and have a look and see how this works. Auntie says I'm high. I am not. I don't drink, don't smoke, don't do any kind of nasty medical stuff. So, nope. Right, let's get into here. And across. Wait, because the moving blocks have gone. On-off blocks even. Jump up. Ah! Oh no, I jet set willied myself. Oh, that's bad. Patrick says, who was the first to call you cupboard monkey? Me or Jenny? I believe it was actually, I think it was Les Cliff on the Monday Club before it even went up into the attic on Weir Yard. It would be the Monday Club when it was in my office, and I used to pop through the door to hand them drinks. Because that was like how I did things, you know? I was the nice hostess with the mostess. So let's try and get up to the top. Ah, don't! For goodness sake, Novabug, don't jump into there. Let's wait for that to go across, and up. And up. Yes, thou. Up. So, we've got to now try and get up there. It's going to be hard, isn't it? Up and up. Wow, look how quick that is. That's going to be a hard monster to get past. Especially with all these disappearing platforms. Yes, you can do it, but it's damn hard. Oh, oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, I like it already. I really do like it. This is going to be a lot of fun. Oh, it's so harsh. Oh my goodness. What are we making here? This is... Hang on. I need to check the map layout. So how many more do we need? We've got 3 more for Clive's Cellar of... Well, 3 more, then we get to Clive's Cellar of Terror. Yeah, Cartsman, it seems there's a fair amount of memory left, even though the game is decently sized already. I think that's because we could add loads of different sprites, loads of different blocks, and I haven't. I've tried to keep it fairly consistent in terms of what's in the game. And it's just, I think that's the best way to do it. So, we have now got a fair size. We need to add in 3 more of this Tower of Terror before we can get to the cellar. I'm actually thinking of spreading the tower out a little bit when it gets further down. So, if we go to this next one here, then we could start spreading the tower out to include these bits as well. So let's do that. C and next. Lost. No, next. So if I put my mouse here as the indicator of where that tower starts, create another screen, go right down at the bottom. Anthony makes a very good point that most Spectrum games are hard. They are. Retro is hard. That's kind of its thing. Hello to Mo Henry, how are you doing? So it starts here with the tower. We'll make it go up and up and up and up and up, because it actually does go quite a way. But we want to try and make it move out a little bit. So if I start doing platforms here, and down and down, then we get all kinds, and we can stop having to use the tower and all of its weird stuff by just expanding it out. Where's my button to turn off all of the blanks that we don't want? And then we can build this out. 2, 3, and add the other side of the tower on. Boink, 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 boink. There we go. So we got an extra bit. Title. Half. No. Delete. Halfway to big. Oh, for goodness sake, delete. Big Clive. There we are. Now let's add in some actual platforms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that'll work. And X. And just to make this cruel and unkind and unpleasant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll take you right across there if you aren't careful. And so you're gonna have to be really, really on your wits to get through this section. Boink, 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 boink. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Give me the. There we are. Just a few little nasties to make it a little bit more of a problem for you. And one, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, I do enjoy making horrible, horrible looking designs that hurt the eyes, but also are quite tricky on what you can do here. Right, let's add some extra stuff in. Let's add in things that you want. Grab that. That's going to be harsh. That's the point. Grab that. And to be really, really annoying, one there. One there. One there. Actually, put it there just to make it a little bit easier. I don't want to make it unplayable. I just want to make it a challenge. 5 and 6. Let's add this in. Map layout P. And patrolling nasties. Do we need some patrolling nasties? I think we need some nasties. I think we do. It's just one of those things. I really think the world would be much better if we had some nasties. Bring that down for his patrol. We'll go from there to there. An extra alien, yes, a nasty. Where can we put a nasty? That would be really, really obnoxious and really upsetting and smell and be horrible for people. Where can we do that? Well, it would have to be over here, wouldn't it? There's just no way we couldn't have a nasty here. That has to be the case. I think we'll start on the other side though, if we can. Yeah, there we go. Just the 2 aliens on that one. Let's see how it goes. Right, let's actually try for a complete playthrough of what we can. I know we can't get the final things from the other one where the big guy is, the big Bovinog, but we can try for the rest. So we've got a Nuglet and we've got patrolling dudes. And up we go, and across. Yes, we got that. And we've got all of those. Let's go over here. Doof doof. And then walk. Oh, I didn't quite time that right, did I? Grab. Grab. Open up. This is not a game for the faint of heart. Oops. I'm going to actually, instead of getting hit by the monsters, I'm going to die from falling damage at this rate. So let's jump up and up and up and get up to here. That is harsh. That is harsh. It harshed my buzz, man. Let's go the other way and check it out. Make sure we can do it all. We know we can get all of the guys on this page. Let's go to here. Can we get all the ones on here? I think we have tried this one before and it kind of works. Oh. Can we get it? Yeah. And over. And up. And up. And across. Boink. Ah! What am I doing to myself? Oh my goodness. I think we might need 5 lives for this game instead of 3. This is a hard game. It's actually quite nasty. Yeah. Alright, let's go for miscellaneous. Right. Well, that's not good, is it? What's happened here? Well, that's not good. We've just lost that entire thing because I didn't save. We've lost an entire room. At least. At least an entire room. Because I didn't save. That's unfortunate. Yeah, it's crashed. And he says you've broken. Yeah, I have. It's actually crashed. Oh my goodness. So let's have a look at the map layout. We've lost 2. We've lost 2 ROMs. That's really upset me now, guys. I've lost 2 ROMs worth of horrible trickiness. Oh man. I'm really upset at that. Oh. Let's try and play through what we've got. Let's try and play through what we've got. Make sure that those areas that we've just got are fixed and do work. So let's go through it again. While I cry into my into my keyboard over the fact that we've just paid several levels. Oh man. Come on. We can do this. This room is doable. Why did I jump in there? It's all about timing. Every single part of this is about timing. Mickey Smith says I would be terrible at this game. Practice will make perfect. That's the thing to remember. Practice will make perfect. Got that. Well, that didn't work out. Oh my goodness, I am not good at my own game. Oh. Come on, we know we can get those down there, so we won't go for that again. We know that from previous experience that we can get these ones, but I'm going to do it anyway because it gets me across to the other side. And then up to here. We know we can get that one there down the bottom. Can we get that without dying? Oh my goodness, no we can't. We can. Right, change the screen layout. That's not good. We can't have that. So where are we on this? Right. We need to move one of these. We can't have that there because you can't get it without dying. And I don't want it to be one of those types of games where you have to essentially sacrifice a life at some points just to be able to do things. So we'll put it there instead. Let's go back in and have a look around and see what we can do from here. Okay, let's see how we go. Right, again, we're not going to go for the ones we already know are doable. We're just checking out whether every single one on the screen can be achieved. So let's see how this goes. Why did I do that? Why did I go before the platform? I am an idiot today. I'm not paying attention. Come on, we've got to do this. We've got to. I would be a terrible game tester, wouldn't I? I just walked into a bad guy. For goodness sake, come on. We can do this. We can do this. I'm losing lives before I even get to the bit where I need to be. Come on, we can do this. I know I'm tired, but come on. Anthony says it could be worse. You could be stuck back in the day and have to load it back in before you could continue. That is true, yeah. But that back in the day, I wouldn't have been saving every other thing. I'd have saved every screen. And to be honest with you, I should be doing that now. So after every screen, we're going to be saving from now on. I don't want to lose any more work like that. So let's move on. Oh, for goodness sake. Timing is everything. Get over and wait. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on. There it is. Boink. And up to the next platform. Now we can get that one. We can also get that one. Let's go past. Can we get... Yes, we... Oh! Oh! Right, we're going to have to try that one on another playthrough to make sure that we could actually do it without dying, because I'm sure we've done it without dying before. Oh my goodness! Right, screen designer again, we need to sort that out. We can't have that. Okay. This is the one with the platform. Right. So we're going to sort something out here. We can't have a repeated death just by falling. It's not fair. And I do realise the irony of saying it's not fair. I'm going to make some of it a bit annoying, though. Right, let's try that. See if this will be awful. Right, we can do this. Might as well get that one while we're walking. Across and down, and up and up. Nothing up there that we need, apart from to avoid that dude. And across, and down onto that. Wait for this, and see how we go from here. Come on. Come on. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You wanted to go with that. Yes, you do. Right, we're up to here. And up, we got that one. Got that one. Up to there. Whoa! Didn't time that right, did I? Didn't time that right at all. Wait for that guy. And up. So that's workable now. That works. Up to here. Across. Can we get that one without down? Yes, we can. That works now. So that's workable. This is the room that's going to be a problem for us. Oh dear, that's going to be hard. Let's see what else we can do. Can we get through all of these? And if we can, we'll save the screenshot. The snapshot even. Oh my goodness, we are... Yeah. We're having some fun now, guys. This is good. I think this game is actually going to be a lot of fun. Bring that back in, yes. And over again, and up. So we know we can get all of these, so we're now on to the next screen to see if we can fix ourselves up with all of that. Oh my goodness, that purple nuglet is harsh. Right, we can get it, and when there is an extra screen that goes off to the left there, you'll be able to run off and be protected. So, oh, I think that nasty's in the wrong place. Patrolling nasties, N. You haven't got a safe space. You can't get to that thing, to that pickup, without risking death. So, which one? If I move down... Oh, it's that one. Right, so Q for the next one. He should start there. Yes. Okay, try that again. Actually, save a screenshot. Has that a snapshot even? Has that saved? Have we saved a snapshot? Did it work? Yes, it did. So, we're in the game now. Let's do this. Welcome to the game zone. We're going to do this. No escape. There's an interesting thing. This game doesn't set the border colour. You seem to be able to set that yourself, because it's just changed to black instead of grey, based on the fact that we went to the menu. That's interesting. So I could set that in the loading thing that we have to add ourselves. Now that is cool. Extra customizability options. I like that. Probably going to set it to black. I think that'll work out nicely. Really focus you on the game's world. Ah! Why have I lost my ability to play my own damn game? Whoa! Come on. Come on, Novabug, you can do this. Oh my goodness. All we want to do is check a game. Come on. Oh my goodness. I do can't. Actually, I'm kind of having a lot of fun with the game myself now. I'm enjoying this. This is a good program for making games. I've lost the ability to time it right, but I think we're doing all right for otherwise. For goodness sake, what are you doing to me? Oh my goodness. Right. We have to keep going. We have to test this. Wow. Oh, for goodness sake. This is not right, man. It's not right. My timing is off. Come out of this. Come out. Map layout, P. Right, this is the stage. We know that one is alright. We know this one works out. We know that this one is a problem. So if I press X and I set our starting point to here, and then we go into the game, we can start there. And we can just test this room out. That's a better idea, isn't it? Right. We know that we can... Oh, where's the keys? We know that we can land there, grab that. It's not an issue. We know we can get those other two over there without a problem. Oh, for goodness sake. Why am I doing this to myself? Right, come on up. Come on up. Yes, we can get that one now without an issue. So, start again. So, it's all the ones over there. How do we get to them? We can't. We can't. We have to. We need like a step down. Okay. So we're gonna have to deal with those. And of course, there's nothing above this now because we lost that. So screen designer. Screen designer. Where's our screen? Screen. No. Next. Where's our screen? Where is it? This one. We need a platform, otherwise you can't get to where you're going. And we'll have that colour there. There. That should do it. Let's try this out. Oh. Again, I'm pressing the wrong buttons. Getting confused. Right, so we can get up to here now. Wait for that to go across and jump down to here. Now, this is going to be harsh because it will push you straight onto the death thing. Oh! Right, we have an issue because it will push you straight down if you're not careful. So we can get them, but we need something in the screen below. Otherwise, all these problems happen. So let's go back to screen layouts. Go to next and next and next and next and next and next. This is the one. Patrick says he received a PlayStation 1 game today. Oh, that's nice. What did you pick up? Let's doof and no doof. One more down and doof. Doof and doof. Doof, 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 doof. Not that they actually are useful, any of these things. Doof and doof. World Championship Snooker. Oh, nice. That sounds good, yeah. For the Codemasters collection, nice. Right, save. Because we've made a few changes. Save. Let's go back. We did just save that, didn't we? Press reset. I hope it saved. I hope it saved properly because, oh my goodness. Yes, it did. Did that not work? Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Guys, I'm losing it today. I'm losing it. I didn't sleep well and I'm losing it. Right. Test game. So, if we go to this, we know that we should be okay now. By jumping up to here. Right. Can we get the easy one? Oh! I just stood there and had a nasty to the face. That's not the best move ever. Come on. Right, let's try that again. We know we can get them. We have to do this properly. Make sure. Right, come on. Doof and doof and doof. Oh! Come on. I know we can do it though because we've done it before. So let's try and get the other one. This is so bad. I actually feel sorry for anyone who's going to try and play this. Because it's evil. It really is evil. What if I do this another way? What? Oh, for goodness, what am I doing to myself? What if we do this another way? Go back to map layout and put the starting position back in the place it was originally. And then come out and go back to the game. What if we try to come at this final one from a different angle? We go over here. Oh, ooh, that's harsh. I think I need to move him along one. Didn't know if Book say he was going to play this. Yes, but I think he's going to end up crying. Yes, we can get it that way. So there are multiple ways to get that thing now. So that's good news. So all of these are collectible. You just have to have a strategy. So let's move a patrolling nasty. N. Where is he? Different one, different one, different one, different one, different one. Not that one either. 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 Where is he? This is it, yes. Right. Right, so he's... Right, so that's that one. Q for the next alien. Over one space. And up to here. Actually, just up to there, I think it would be easy. No, let's go to the high one. There we are. Right. Try that. Let's see if this works out. But here's the funny part. If you jump this way, that didn't work out. I'm pretty sure if you jump the right way, you'll end up inside something you're not supposed to. Yeah, the impassables. So that'll be fun. Let's see whether we actually break the game by doing that, because we don't want to break the game doing that. For goodness sake, what are you doing, Bug? Stand there. Right. Wait for the Noglet to go past. Jump to there. And yes, you end up in the impassable bit. That's okay, because it doesn't matter. Excellent. Right, this works. Guys, it works. So, save. Screenshot. Snapshot. Save to Snap 7. Yes? Snap 7? Yes. So, I think we now need a different building block. Let's have another building block, because I just want to make something new and use a bit more memory. If I go to, what colour can we have? Let's have a sort of darkish green. And go for something weird, geometric pattern, look like a QR code, and change the background to something weird. Yeah, that looks... No, good grief, no, I've just realised that what that looks like. I'm not having that. Not in my games. We're definitely not having what that looked like in my games. No, no, not at all. My goodness, no. Right, let's close all of that out. I wanted to make something that looked like a QR code, and unfortunately made something that looked like a hate symbol instead. That's not good news. So let's instead have a happy face if we can. That'd be much better for us, wouldn't it? There's a happy face. Yeah, that works. We're going to have a happy face. And that's a different thing now. What can we do color-wise? Ooh. Oh, that would be interesting. What if I did a yellow one with... Go around again until we find yellow. Change the paper color. That's interesting. Leave it darker. Now, hang on. What did we set that as? Empty space? No, that's not an empty space. What type? Normal platform. On-off platform. It's going to be an on-off platform. I just wanted something different, you know. So, let's go back to screen layouts. Because we need to keep going. We need to rebuild what was at the top, and it's going to be a bit different. It's going to also be a bit different now because I want to rebuild the bottom as well. So there's the edge that we need to go to. Create a screen, yes. So go down to the bottom and right across. We need the building block for the tower. Where is it? There's the tower. Is that about the right place? 2 more across. Yes. So that's the base of our tower. And right, 1, 2, 3. If we start there and we build up, and then the tower starts going in, it's going to look different to what it did before, but I can't help that. Right. That's how it was. That was his. That's his intro, isn't it? Novabug's tune. Yeah. Let's move that to a blank. We'll have the weird flag on the outside as well that we had before. Flagpole on the top, which you can't actually get out to, but never mind. What happened to the original tower top, says Patrick? The program crashed. That's what happened. Oh, we could make an interesting pattern for the tower for the flag. He's got a weird flag now. Yes, I like it. That's fun. That's a lot of fun. So it's actually going to flash on and off, which isn't what I want to do, is it? That wouldn't work. So let's have these as a part of the pattern for the flag. There you go. He's got a weird Novabug flag. So we're going to have an on-off platform made with smiley faces. Where's it gone? Where's the platform gone? Smiley face. There's an on-off platform, an on-off platform, and a normal platform down here. One, two, three. So let's move over to there. Patrick says, if it helps, why not put a tape in the Spectre and save the data file as an extra pack? You know, I would if I had a tape ready to hand, but I don't. I just don't have a tape. I should get some tapes. I do have some tapes somewhere, and I don't know where they are. That's an interesting point. I think Jen used some for making mixtapes for the Volvo, because it's like a Volvo from the 90s. It still has a tape recorder in it, tape player even. So she made some tapes for that, and I can't remember where the rest went. Right, I am going to now... where's the Z and X for the flashing bits? Z, X. Now we need to put in the collectibles. Where are the collectibles? One there. One there. One there. One there. One there. And one there. Right. Map layout P. Go across one and add it in. There we are. At least in this game, Novabug won't be licking a CPC. Just wait. Patrolling nasties. We need a patrolling nasty in here. And create an alien. Which one should... Yeah, we'll use that one. going to go from there down to there. That's where it's going to start. An S to set its speed. It's a fast one. Right. We've created that. Save it. Let's hope this works out. Save to snapshot 8. Test the game. Let's go and have a look and see whether we can get safely to that bit. So we're going to have a wander around, and that's the best we can do right now. Don't need to grab any of these, but we will, because why not? Get over to there and wait for the thing to come down. Come on. There it is. The on-off platforms take ages to switch, I've noticed. Which wasn't what I expected. So we have to get up to there. Did I see the plot idea for all of the house game on the yesterday's stream? I did. I thought it was a good idea. Right, let's get up here. Ah ha 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 ha! Oh my goodness, you've got to be careful. It's a harsh one. Wow. I don't think that's going to work. Oh my goodness, that's not going to work. Patrolling nasties. Where's the nasties? Come on. Where's the nasties? Yeah, he's too quick. Speed 1. Test that. Let's test that. He was fast. For such a small area, he was too fast, I think. I don't have a problem with fast moving bad guys, but wow. You can't stand on the edge and wait for it. You have to be right. You have to time it right. Wow. This guy's one of the hardest baddies in the game. Try that again. He's actually my nemesis for this. Never mind Bovinug. This guy's a nemesis. Now we wait. Oh my goodness, we have to wait. There it is. Drop and doink and doink and doink. The Bug Pool Tower of Terror. I do like that we got some stupid names. Because it kind of fits with the whole Manic Miner vibe, doesn't it? And Jet Set Willie and all that. Come on, and up and up. And across. And over to here. Go up and up. And yes! It's acceptable. It's a decent speed. And we don't immediately get hurt by him. So... yes, we can get all the stuff in here. Excellent. I'm happy now. Guys, I am happy. This works. Right, it's 5 o'clock. We should save to make sure that that doesn't get hurt. Save. I'm going to look for that tape. There might be a cassette in here. I doubt there is. I have a severe doubt. We've actually got some games here that I've not tried yet. Bit Boy. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. No, that's the wrong... we should give that a try. Bit Boy, we haven't tried that. And Nippick on the other side, okay. Done Quadrant, that was a lot of fun. Go back over there and... I've got all kinds of stuff stacked in front of these drawers now. That's the big problem. Do we have a cassette in here? Don't think so. Really don't think so. I'll see what I've got. Sorry guys, I'm just quickly looking. It's not something I've planned, you see. So, cassettes. Do we have any cassettes? Yes. Is that a cassette? That is a cassette, isn't it? Yes, it is. Cassette! We have a cassette. It's never been used. How do I open this thing? Oh, come on. They don't even have a piece of foil to open the package. You just have to kind of pick at it. Wow, these are old. Oh my goodness, guys. It won't open. Oh. There isn't. There. Open? How? Ah. I think I've got it. No, I haven't. Yes, I have. Yes. No. Oh, for goodness sake. The bit that's supposed to open it just fell off. How user-friendly is that? This is the easy open part. No, it isn't. No, it isn't at all. Come on! Oh my goodness. Right, I'm in. Kind of. The things that you see on this channel are amazing, guys. You can see an old fat git opening up a packet. You don't get that on your regular channels on TV. Right, let's have a look at this. Get this out. Can I save to tape? Will it let me? Let's move this on a little bit. Wind on past the plastic bit at the front. Come on. Right. Save game G. File name Novabug. Press record and play, then any key. Is this working? I hope this is working. Apparently it's 32768 for start of code. I'll write that into the chat just in case we need it later. I have no sound. Are we supposed to have sound? I don't think there's a volume on a Spectrum, is there? Hopefully it's not broken. It seems to be doing something anyway. See what happens. And we'll see what happens afterward. I wonder if this'll... If I... Are we actually compiling the game and saving the code in a way that we can use? Is that what this is doing? Because that would be amazing if it is. We're going to save it again afterward. We're going to save a snapshot afterward so we can get back to here just in case. But I have a feeling that this is the saving code that we can use. And if that's true, that would be fantastic. So we're just going to wait and see what happens, basically. And hope for the best and all of that. Loading sounds all depend on the volume you have your TV at. Ah, I don't have anything plugged into the volume knob. I'd have thought it would come out, but no, it won't, will it? It's all in the deck. I don't have the sound attached at the moment. I just didn't bother. So maybe that's why. Where is the sound? I can't see from here. I don't want to risk causing any problems, so I'll just leave it there for the moment. So while we're on, how are you guys? How are you doing? We'll sort out the sound issue in a minute. See how it goes. Let's see what happens. It seems to be saving a lot. whatever's going on, it's saving a lot of data. I think it is creating the game so that we can load it. I think that's what's going on. Hopefully. We'll try and load it in, and we'll see how it goes. After it's saved, I'll make a snapshot, and then we'll try and load it in, just to see what happens. Because I think that'll be a lot of fun. Even the 48K beeper tunes are played on the TV and the +2 via the AY chip. That explains a lot, Patrick. Thanks for that. We'll see how it goes then. Come on. Come on. Right. It seems to have stopped. Okay. Rewind that, and while that's rewinding, save a snapshot. Save to snap 10. Okay. Let's try this. Reset. And load. Meanwhile, quickly just check if I can put the button in the right place. Where is it? Sound. Oh, ow. Okay. Let's see if this works. Did I just break the system? Did I just... yeah. Load. Mo Henry says, this is very interesting. I really love watching the process. Thank you, I'm glad. Is this gonna work? I don't think it's working. Let's turn that down a bit because it's a bit loud. Let's see if... I really don't know if it's actually going to do this, if it's going to work or not. Because it doesn't sound like it is. Given the flashing, it doesn't sound right. It doesn't look right, even. Yeah, I have a feeling it's not going to work. Either the data file is very big, or you need to type in a basic loader to execute the code. Yeah, I think the data file isn't as big, because we saw all the flashing raster bars. We saw all of that while it was saving, but we're not seeing it while it's loading. So I have a feeling that this won't work the way I expected. And perhaps we need to put a data file, a loader on the front of the tape. Maybe a loading screen as well, that kind of thing. Yeah, I think that's true. It's just one continuous whine. That doesn't seem right, does it? Ugh. Great for everyday recording, the tape says. Yeah. We've got a constant whine. I'm not sure that's great for everyday recording. So if I bring this up, we are still loading from the Spectrum. It's still going. But it's... oh! Maybe it's going to work. I have a feeling it's not. Because it's just flashing lights. It's just flashing lights. But you never know. We might get there. We might manage it. I don't... I just don't know. At this point, I don't know. I'll put the roving camera back. Sit down there, roving camera. Yeah. We're going to find out in a minute anyway. It's only taken a few minutes. This is part of the learning curve. I think this is okay as a part of an episode where we're learning whether we can do this the way we thought we could or whether we have to do something else. I think it's going to turn out that we have to do something else. But as long as we know. I mean, what does the manual say about it? Miscellaneous, music, status panel, frames, jump, load game, save game. Okay, this option prompts for a file name of up to 10 characters, then saves the game tape. Regular saves are recommended. This may then be loaded back into the game designer at a later point and edited further. When you have completed your masterpiece and wish to produce a version which loads and automatically runs from tape independently of the designer program, you need to write. Right. So that 10 clears 32767. Okay, let's try that. Let's actually try and load it. If I reset this and bring my manual over here and just type in the code. 10. No, not continue. What's clear on this? Oh, I've got to find the keyboard layout now. That's the wrong button. Where's the... Right, ZX, Spectrum, keyboard layout. I shouldn't have to do this, but we do. Right, here's a Spectrum. Give me a look at the Spectrum's keyboard. Where's clear? Where's clear? Dot draw and round 10. Print that blah 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 blah. Copy. Clear as X. Okay. Right, clear as X. Where's the thing gone now? My goodness. Right. Clear. 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. Where's the colon? Where's a colon on a Spectrum? There is a colon on a Spectrum, isn't there? Yes. If I press symbol shift and... Oh my goodness, the Spectrum is ridiculous for this. And Z. Symbol shift Z. Yes. Load. And we don't have any... So, okay. Right, what's code? Where's code? What's code? Seriously? What's code? Oh, for goodness sake. This is why I never liked to program on a Spectrum back in the 80s. It was ridiculous. Where's the... Oh, it does have a clear screen, CLS. That's good. Sine, cosine, tan... Code is green. So is that what? Shift? And I? Well, we'll find out in a moment, won't we? Wow, the things we have to do just to try and find this out. Shift and I? No. Delete. Symbol shift and I? No. Delete. Symbol shift, cap shift and I? No. So what is it? How do we select the green ones? Guys, does anyone know how you select the green ones? Lower resolution, the green side and yellow. I don't know how to get the green anymore. It's been so long since I did this. I can see how you get the red because you press the symbol shift, but how do you get green? Suggesting you press... I don't know. Extend mode? What's extend mode? That's not on the original Spectrum, so I'm not going to press that. Guys, does anyone remember how you get the green buttons on a Spectrum? Oh, I should have used for 128K mode. You can just type in Much easier. Oh. Not the other simple shift, is it? No, it can't be. No one in the chat seems to know. Oh my goodness. Oh. So we can't do it. We can't do this. Because I can't find the button. Cap Shift I. Still. Delete. Code. Just type it in. Oh, I can just type it in. Right, if I did, okay. That's alright. Then, what is it? Colon, randomize user. So, simple shift instead. Oh, which one's randomize? Please tell me it's the one I can actually press. Randomize. Where is it? Oh. It's not, is it? Ah, T. Might be T. If I press T. Wrong button. Randomize. Yes. Randomize user. What's user? Where is it? I hate the old style Spectrum. I'm sure it's really, really simple once you know what you're doing, but I don't know what I'm doing, and it's very hard to learn. Where's user? Where's the button for user? Why can't I just type it in? It's going to be green, isn't it? It is. It's L. How do I press L? How do I do that? Where's my... Oh my goodness. Try extend. Yeah. According to this, it's L is user. Why am I looking at that? No, it's not that. Delete. No. If I can just type it in. Is that okay? Can we use it? 32768. 32768. Enter. Why? Is it... But I've typed in exactly what it says. I've typed in exactly what I was told to. I'm going to take out. Delete that. What if this works? Run. If I just take out the bit that says code. Please tell me this is going to work. Please tell me this will work. We're not getting the raster bars anymore. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah, Patrick says try space before code. I'm going to give this a try. I want to know how this works because the manual isn't great on this bit. And I think it's important that we all know because I've been showing you how to use this as much as I've been coding this thing. So I want to make sure it works. Oh my goodness. It shouldn't be this hard. Just gonna make myself another drink here. Yeah, it's not going to work, is it? It's not going to work. So we should have a space before code. Okay. Right to the start again. And we're trying this once more. So, back to the code base. Where is the code? 10. What was clear again? I hate the spectrum style for this. I don't like it. It's like, where is it? Where's clear? Clear is X. Okay. 10. Clear. 3, 2. 7, 6, 7. Symbol shift and Z. Get that. Then load is J. I know that one. Blank, blank. Space. I hold down shift. Can I just type in code? Oh my goodness, that's so much easier. Symbol shift. Not run. Delete. What was it again? Is it L or something like that? Where's randomize? Where's randomize? T. Because of course it is. Button. Randomize. Let's user. Three, 2, 7, 6, 8. It really doesn't like that, does it? It doesn't. Does it require a name? What just happened? It's great. Clearly it doesn't need a name. Clearly it doesn't need a name. Reset. 10. We're going to get there. Whoops, clear again. See, this is why I don't like the spectrum clear, 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 clear. Is where is clear X? Clear 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. Randomize. No, load. Load. What's Patrick saying? Yeah, it's not normally. What do the guides say? I don't. The guide is ridiculous. Load. And then it's. What if I put a blank there and then type code? What was code again? No. Delete. Code is clearly on this thing, so what if I use cap shift? No, that's input. Why is it input? Extend mode. Code. Aha! Extend mode gets me reds. Okay, code. Beep? No, don't beep. What are you doing to me? Extend mode, code. Simple shift, blank. Randomize is T, because of course it is. What's user then? Where's user? Where's user? User is L. Extend mode L. User 32768. That can't work, can it? Yeah, it doesn't like it. What if I take out? Low code? Really doesn't like that either. Guys, this is not good. This doesn't work. Yeah, it just doesn't like this at all. Right, load. Load. And extend mode code. If that works, I'll be amazed. Run. See what happens. This is going to be the final time. It's got to be the final time. Well, it's certainly different. This might actually work. It may just be that I was misinterpreting things. Maybe this weird piece of code in the manual is right, and it's just I typed it in wrong somehow, even though I was copying it. It has been known to happen. It does look like this is going to work. Guys, oh my goodness, guys, we might actually have this. Wow, this might actually work. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so happy. If this works, and it looks like it is, then I could modify that code on the start, because let's have a look at where the manual is. Here it is. Okay. Got this bit here, customizing your games. It says by starting the program with user 32771 instead of 32768, then control is passed to the calling program, be it basic or machine code, as soon as the game is over. There is no reason why you shouldn't write your own introduction screen, game over, routines, etc. So, basically, what we seem to have is the ability, by calling this user 32771, we could have a routine that loads the game, loads the code, puts up a title screen that gives you the instructions, or you get to start the game. Like press I for instructions, S to start the game. If you press S, it does randomize user 32771, and then on the game over, bling, it's there as like game over. You can have a game over screen, and then it jumps you back to the intro. That would actually be quite good. I like that. You know, guys, I am liking this more and more. We're having issues, and to be honest with you, it's mostly me getting annoyed that things aren't working the way I expect them to. But I think this is going to work out. We're going to have a hell of a game here. We could have an intro screen with its own bits and pieces going on. I like this. I think it's going to work out nicely. I could set the border color and all sorts. That'll be good. Let's see if this works. If it does, I'll be very, very happy. We've already got the game saved in the snapshot, so that's okay. And it's 20 to 6 at the moment, so I think we're going to load this up and test it, and then that'll be it for today, when we'll get back to more tomorrow. But let's see how this goes for the moment and see what happens. I am really, really excited. I don't know about you guys, but I am really excited with how this is going. Press any key to start the game. Dare I? Dare I? It's... Oh my goodness! It's working! What happens if I keep just jumping into this guy's face? It goes straight back to the start. Right, okay. Right, I'm going to press one key. Press any key to start the game. Right, so it does... If you're still holding the key down, it'll just restart straight away. So, this is brilliant. Oh man, I am really happy with this now. Guys, I was fretting and being annoyed with the game and no, not the game, the software and how it works, but this is superb. I'm not kidding. This program for £6 on Chronosoft's website, I can't say no to it. It's better every time. I'm really impressed. This is great. I am so impressed. This thing works. Oh, man. This is amazing. And the weird smiley guy looks as creepy as ever. Oops. Oh. Guys, I am so happy. This is brilliant. Oh. And to think I didn't save the intro load a bit. Oh. Yeah, I'm happy now. This is a lot of fun. I am very, very happy. Guys, we have got a game that we now know how to load it. We know how to make the thing ready with a tape. So once that's done, I could make like the WAV file available. Oh my goodness, we can do all kinds. This is gonna be superb. Right, that's it for today, I think, because I think we should end on a high note. So I'm going to be able to make a WAV file of this available to you once it's finished. Probably not immediately after the stream. I'll link to it on the GameHammer website. Of course I will. GameHammer.co.uk and the Facebook group. I'll put it out on Twitter and all that. But Patrick says, would you do a game using Shoot 'em Up Construction Kit on the C64? Yes. Yes, I absolutely would. I think that would be great. Join me again tomorrow, guys. There's actually a Shoot 'em Up Construction Kit for Spectrum as well. Might be worth me grabbing that and doing both. That'll be interesting. A C64 and a Spectrum game. That'll be good. Join me again, guys, tomorrow, 4 o'clock. We're going to get this going. We're going to make it work. We're going to get a huge amount of the rest of the game going. Patrick makes a very good point. Make sure the snapshot works. I'm going to just reset the system here. Make sure the snapshot works. Dink. All the way down. Well, I hope the snapshot works. If it doesn't, we'll just load it from tape. Test the game. Yeah, the snapshot works. All perfectly fine. There's the map we're doing tomorrow. 4 o'clock GMT. We'll same bat time, same bat channel. See you tomorrow. Everything is going to turn up well. So I am loving this. Guys, I'm loving this. The one I'm referring to is by Palace back in the 1980s. Oh, that's an interesting one. I don't think I know that one, Patrick. We'll have a look at it, yeah. Right. Take care, guys. Loving this.